Hi everyone, I am Anashwara. Today I am going to discuss about participative democracy through community radio. So let's have a look on this topic. First of all, before we are discussing about this topic, we need to know what is participatory democracy and what is community radio. So we need to know these different terms. First, we are going through participatory democracy. What is participatory democracy? Participatory democracy is individual participation by citizens in political decisions and policies that affect their life, especially directly, rather than through elected representatives. And also, this participatory democracy emphasizes a broad participation of constituents in directional and operational of political systems. Officially, participatory democracy is direct democracy in the sense that all citizens are actively involved in all important decisions. So, this is what participatory democracy is. A participatory democracy means that the citizens, individual or constituents, can take part in political decision makings and operations directly rather than through elected representatives. That means they do not need the help from elected representatives. They can directly approach to the political things. So this is what participatory democracy is. Next, we need to know what is community radio. By the name only we can analyze what is community radio. A radio which is targeted to a particular community. This is what community radio. So community radio is a radio service of a third model service in addition to commercial and public broadcasting. Community radio stations serve geographical communities and communities of interest actually, and they broadcast the content that is popular and relevant to a local specific audience but is often overlooked by commercial or mass media broadcasters. And also, community radio stations are operated, owned, and influenced by the communities that they serve. They are generally non profit in nature and provide a mechanism for enabling individuals, groups, and communities to tell their own stories, to share their experiences in media rich world, to become the creators and contributors of media. This is what actually community radio is. In a community radio, the decisions or the programs or the categories are decided on the basis of that community only, and the topics, the hosters, the announcers, and everything are from that community only. Because a if we are selecting a particular community, that particular community has a regional language or they have a particular culture. So the people who are educated from that community need to serve that community radio. So in many areas, while community radio is coming there, they are getting jobs actually. They are got a 3 month or 4 month training. After that, they are coming for hostess and announcers in community radio. And in community radio, the main target of that community radio is development. Through that community radio, they are involving that persons from that particular community for the development of that community by analyzing what are their problems, what are the things they are facing, what they need to do. All these things they are analyzing first, and by the participation of that community they are doing all these stuff for development. The main thing is participation. They the community radio is influencing the people, or they are trying to participate the community people for the development of that community. And the main thing is like that, there may be many programs. That means there may be cultural programs, that their major cultures, their major festivals, their rituals, these all included in community radio programs. And also women empowerment programs are also there, musical programs are there, sometimes news is there, everything is there in a community radio. So it's a space for sharing that people's special experiences, and they are telling stories through community radio, and they are actually sharing everything which is related to their community through this community radio. So through this community radio, it helps for the development of that community actually. So next, we need to know what is the role of participatory democracy through this community radio, or how community radio make the development. So this is we are going to discuss. Actually, community radio is a democratic communication medium that played a significant role in the life of people across the world since 1940s. So community radio stations are supposed to maximal participatory. They are supposed to encourage the participation of local citizens in all elements of their operation, including management, planning, execution, and production. So, with the emergence of development communication in mass media studies, community radio was largely seen as a medium for development programs. This is what means through community radio, many developmental programs are going on. That means externals are coming, internals are coming for making programs. For example, uh, if a community is facing health issues, or like they are unable to reach the medical facilities or medical opinion, through this community radio they can speak to a doctor directly through phoning programs. Through calling, they can share their diseases, and this doctor can suggest the remedies to that disease. In many community radios they are doing this. So this is a development. That means if we are selecting a community for a community radio station, if we are selecting a community, definitely it may in a particular area that is very very backward area, so that people in that area are not interested to reach to hospital, or they may be not able to reach their problems. So through this community radio, they can actually directly ask their problems to the doctors or anything. And the next thing, we already discussed what is participatory democracy. So participatory democracy, we say that the people can involve in political decisions without the help of political representatives. So this is how through community radio. This means that in community radio programs, like many programs are introducing, so on that programs there may be chances like the major political leaders can also involve, or they can also share their views and their suggestions to this community. So on such an occasion, the people from that community can directly speak to these people, and they can directly share their problems. So whatever the problem, it may be electrical, it may be water problem, or maybe health issues, anything, they can directly communicate to the political peoples directly. So it may help for that community's development. And also there are many educational programs are going through community radio. So these programs help the children who are residing on that community. So these are the developments. That means through community radio, how development comes. Definitely development is coming through community radio, because community radio is there to make participation from that particular community. So how much the participation they are giving to that community radio station, definitely that much development is increasing there. Through community radio, they can access many things, like they can speak directly to doctors or anyone they are needed. They can speak directly to the higher authorities, like the political leaders or anyone, directly by sharing their problems. Everything they can do through community radio. And the programs and the content for that programs is decided according to the problems of that community only. So definitely one or definitely the politicians or like the government definitely have a look or hear on that problems, and they will definitely do whatever the things needed for that particular community. And in many situations, like in many areas, women empowerment programs are also going on, because in these backward communities, women are not much into the front side. So this, through this community radio, they are giving an opportunity for women to come forward and share their issues and share their problems and solving the on that platform. So this is how participatory democracy and community radio is interlinked. Both of them are for the development of a particular community. So development communication is going on there. Communication through development through communication. If we are speaking through if we are speaking, if we are communicating each other, then only the development will rise there. In community radio station is also there. If the people from that community is ready to communicate with that radio station, then only the development process can move forward. So this is what a community radio, and how this community radio helps the people or a particular community for their development. Or in other sense, we can also say that the first community radio came in 2004 in Anna University in Tamil Nadu. The name of first community radio, that community radio is for students for their educational purpose. And later there are many community radio stations coming over and over, and on among them the most important thing is that Radio Matuli, we all know it's a tribal community radio. So it's for the development of a tribal community. So whenever that Matuli, that radio station comes there, it's in Idukki village of Kerala. Whenever that community radio comes there, the major aim of that radio station is the development of the tribal people, because we all know that tribal peoples are fully with their culture and their traditions and everything. They are not ready to share their things with outer world. So this community radio is a very good and rich medium for their student, the children who are residing, the tribal children, among the children among the tribal communities, to communicate with the outer world. So there are many developments are going through community radio stations. So if we are observing deeply, we will get many informations what participatory democracy done in community through community radio station. So this is all about what participatory democracy and through community radio stations. I hope you guys enjoyed this lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.